how to fix TikTok not letting you log in. So if TikTok application is not letting you log in for any sort of reasons, maybe you're trying to log in to a newer account or anything as such, but you're not being able to do so. The first and foremost thing you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. If it's not working, do not try from the same tab over and over again. Close the TikTok app and open it again, or if you're on Android, you can long press the TikTok app icon, then tap on this I button that says App Info. So go to this App Info button here. From App Info, you can go to Storage Usage and you can see the cache files that it has generated. Tap on this Clear Cache button. If you're using iPhone, make sure to offload the application. Now after that, go to your Play Store. Then you can just search for the TikTok application and check if the TikTok app has an update available. And if it requires an update, you'll see the update button. Just make sure to install the update to the latest version. And this way you will be able to fix if TikTok is not letting you log in. By the way, before you go ahead and then end the video, also make sure that your credentials are correct, because sometimes due to incorrect credentials, you are not being able to log in. If that is the case, you can try to reset your password as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.